Hi, now I will show how to password protect folders and files. Download and install the program, EnvideSeal Folder. It is free. Go to the website Softpedia. The link will be in the description. Whose download location. Install program. Change the destination folder if you need it. Launch program. For example, I have a folder with files. To set a password and hide this folder, click on the plus button. Type in the path to a folder. Click on the Protect button. Set password and confirm. You can set a password hint. Done, the folder is hidden. The file cannot be found in search. If you enter the incorrect password, a password hint will appear. Notification: wrong password. Done, folder open. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.